Take your harmonica. Find a comfortable place to sit. Relax your shoulders. Place the harmonica to your mouth on holes 1 to 2, 3, or 4 to 5 to 6. Breathe in gently, letting the chord sound soft and steady. As you inhale, imagine a lighthouse inside you. The light turns on, warm, clear. On the exhale, play the chord out and feel this light spreading around you like a beacon in the dark. Keep this rhythm. Inhale, light on. Exhale, light shines out. Each breath, each sound, a signal to come back to yourself. Feel how the harmonica connects your breath and your mind. Sound and focus together. Play for a few minutes. Stay with this gentle lighthouse until you feel calm, clear, centered. Don't know which harmonica is best? Visit BreathingWay.com. We'll guide you. This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.